This is Denton County weather with your latest 2.5-minute forecast. Temperatures out there this morning, it's feeling like a nice mild morning out there. Most of us are sitting in the low to mid 60s, a few upper 50s back off to the east. It's going to feel a bit warmer though today due to the fact that we have some humidity building in across the Metroplex, and that will continue throughout the afternoon as we do have a southerly wind. You can see temperatures by lunchtime, most of us will be in the mid to upper 70s, eventually getting to the low to mid 80s by about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So it will definitely feel warm, and it will feel even more warm due to the fact that we'll have humidity out there, so heat indexes could be closer to 90 degrees this afternoon. Here's a look at the dew points over the next 12 to 24 hours. You can see most of DFW will see dew points between the low to mid 60s, maybe even some upper 60s in the interior Metroplex during the day today. Some areas back off to the northwest will drop closer to the 50s as we do have a cold front coming through our region later tonight into tomorrow morning. You can see 11, 12 o'clock. Dew points are going to be pretty high overnight. There might be some fog across areas like south or I-20 and south. There might be some fog out there just due to the fact that temperature and humidity will be pretty close together. Otherwise, the dew points will eventually drop going into tomorrow, and we will see a pretty dry Thursday and Friday. Maybe an isolated shower or storm out there, but that chance seems fairly low at this time. Here's a quick look at the outlook over the next several days. So as I said before, maybe an isolated shower or storm Thursday, maybe Friday, maybe Saturday. It's going to be very low-end rain chances, but it will exist every day basically this week, just very low, maybe 10% chances. You can see Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, we'll actually have a tropical system coming out of the Pacific Ocean. It's not named yet, but this is forecasted to actually come through DFW again, and we just saw this only a week ago where we had a tropical storm, or it was actually a hurricane, and it ended up coming through our region as just a low pressure system, but it definitely could bring some rain, maybe 2 to 3 inches. Again, it's a little bit far out, so specifics are not there yet and might change directions. We'll have to wait and see on that. Here's your latest look at the Atlantic tropics. Nothing's actually out there, and I'm not forecasting anything for the rest of this month. Here's a look at the potential for severe weather going into tomorrow, which is actually primarily for Friday morning. There might be a couple isolated severe storms in southern Oklahoma. Can't rule out that it comes into northern Texas, but should remain a very low-end risk. Hail would be my only primary concern, maybe quarter size at the most. Here's a look at the next 6 to 10 day outlook for the temperatures. So you can see above average temperatures are expected across all of central and eastern United States. Western United States, closer to California, and areas like that are going to be in a bit of a cooler pattern going into next week. Here's your latest 7-day forecast, and you can see temperatures are already going to be above average this week. Not a single temperature is going to be below average. You can see that Thursday and Friday temperatures will drop only by a few degrees with that cold front tomorrow, but eventually temperatures will go right back into the mid 80s. It will feel more like the low 90s by Sunday, and then eventually Monday and Tuesday temperatures will drop off again. Tuesday's a bit of a throw up. It might be about 50% chance right now. It could very well change over the next several days. We'll keep you updated with Denton County weather for the latest. This will likely be the last 60-second forecast, by the way, for the next several days. I will be on vacation until Sunday. Just make sure you're aware of that. I will still be providing 7-day forecasts on Denton County weather on Facebook and as well as Instagram. This forecast is brought to you by All Dense Repair.